Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to force stop or uninstall an app using two methods. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap App Management, or sometimes called Apps and Notification, or simply App depending on your phone. Tap the app list and you'll see a list of all your installed apps. Tap the app you want to manage. Inside the app info page, you'll see two important options. First is the force stop. This immediately closes the app if it's running in the background. This is useful if the app is frozen, lagging, or consuming too much battery. Do not worry, it won't uninstall the app. Just tap it temporarily. The next one is an install. This removes the app completely from your phone. Tap it if you no longer need the app. The second method is from the home screen or app drawer. Find the app icon in your home screen or in the app drawer. Press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. Depending on your phone, you might see an option for an install right there. Just drag the app to uninstall or tap the option. For force stop, you'll usually need to tap App Info in the menu, which takes you directly to the App Info page in Settings. From there, tap Force Stop. Force stopping is temporary. The app can run again the next time you open it. Uninstalling, however, is permanent, unless you reinstall it from the Play Store.